Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The bun is always out of the frame. Today, I'm gonna do a few things in this video. I was recently tagged by Nicki from Plants, Pots, and Whatnot on the YouTuber Christmas tag. Have you guys heard of this tag? I have been tagged in quite a lot of videos this month. Which is making me all the more busier. But this is a fun one. It's pretty much a list of questions. I think there's around 20 questions. It's all about me at Christmas, my traditions and like what I do and like talking about me as a Christmassy person. I figured instead of me just sitting in front of the camera for this whole video, I would go ahead and I would clean some of my plants while I answer these questions. You guys, my leaves on my plants, they're dusty, really dusty. Like I was looking at them earlier and I was like, oh girl, you are not living up to this title. No, you're not. I figured I would just bring them, put them here. I can get my leaf shine and we can clean, and talk. First off, I just placed an order on Uber Eats. Hashtag not sponsored, but Starbucks. If you would like to, you can reach out and sponsor me, okay? I placed an order for quite a bit of things. Did you know you can order Starbucks on Uber Eats? So this is a new thing to me. I got all of the things listed here, which include a vanilla iced caramel macchiato, 2 snowman cake pops, a breakfast sandwich, 2 orders of egg bites, passion tea lemonade, and 2 cranberry bliss bars. Judge me if you will. This is not all for me. Some of it's for Jay. But I figured I could dig in here and grab my coffee so we can get started. Ooh, those are the drinks, clearly. Here's the egg bites. Oh, look at their little Christmas wrapping. Are you guys more Starbucks people or Dunkin' Donuts people? Let me know in the comments because I would like to know. I am a Starbucks girl. It's expensive as all hell. You know, sometimes you just need a little snowman cake pop in your life. So where is these cranberry bliss bars, guys? Okay, this is not the video for that. Where is my breakfast sandwich? It's like Christmas in this bag. Finally, found it. Okay, I'm not gonna eat on camera because that's just tacky. I don't know. I am gonna drink my coffee. Hold, please. I told them not to send me straws because we use glass and metal straws in this household. And they still sent me the straws. Starbucks? Bad. I feel like Joan Crawford in Mommy Dearest. No wire hangers. No wire hangers. I know what some of you are thinking. Nicole, you use metal straws, but you use paper towel and cleaning products that kill the ozone. I'm working on it, all right? My thing here is one thing at a time, guys. Sorry for the ASMR. Saving the environment is definitely a one thing at a time process. Like if every house can just limit waste, our world would be a happier place. So that's what we decided to do with the no straws because we did use a lot of plastic straws before. Oh, you know when they put the shot of espresso right on the top? Ooh, hits you, you know, it just hits you right there. Okay, so one other thing I wanted to talk about really quickly was these Becca de la Plants. She rocks these in quite a few of her videos and I was like, okay, I need those. I need to copy you and get those right now. So I told my husband that I wanted them for Christmas and he surprised me a little early and he got them for me and they are just the prettiest earrings. They're from a tea leaf. It's an Etsy shop. I'm just obsessed. They're so thin, they're so lightweight. I love the hoop backs. It's just, they're perfect and I love them. And I'm not being sponsored or anything by Starbucks, by the earring places. I'm just genuinely talking about products that I love. Okay, let's just talk about what I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna use my leaf shine to clean my plants. And I just spray this on the leaves and I take a soft cloth and I wipe the leaves off. This is from IKEA. I believe they have a whole set and it's just really soft and it's a rag. It works. So that's what I'm gonna do. And the first plant we're gonna clean the leaves on is this guy here. This is my Alocasia Regal Shields. Let's look at the leaves there for a minute. Oh, and it's just so happy and healthy. All right, let's see. How's that work? I didn't think this through. First question is, what is your favorite Christmas movie? Ooh, Ooh, that's a good one. My favorite Christmas movie is probably Home Alone. I absolutely love Home Alone. It's my favorite. I could watch it every year. And it's one of those things where like I can't watch it unless it's Christmas. Do you guys have any of those types of movies where it's like, oh, this is just, you know, you can't watch it any other time of the year? I went live on YouTube last night and we were talking, if you guys were there, thank you so much for stopping by. We were talking about our favorite movies, like holiday movies, and we debated on whether or not Die Hard is a Christmas movie or if it's a just regular action-packed movie. I said Christmas movie, but after I watched it last night, I'm kind of on the fence now. Like, it's definitely Christmas time in the movie. You know, like he's going to spend Christmas with his family and like the action is all in the middle. And then it's like, it's based around the holiday. So I want to say it's a Christmas movie, right? Like if a movie's based around the holiday, it's a Christmas movie. I don't know. I don't know if I would watch that movie any other time of the year. This leaf has like, I don't know if you could see, probably not, a couple water spots on it. So this stuff is really, this stuff is really great for getting like water stains out of your plants. Okay, my camera died. It's always fun when that happens. Okay, question number 2. Are you on the naughty or nice list? I'm always on the nice list. I am. I'm on the nice list. I feel like I'm nice throughout the year. Could I be a better human? Sure. But I think all of us have room for improvement. But I try actively to be kind. Okay. The next plant we're going to clean up is my money tree. Okay, let me get the saucer though. There we go. Can you see me? This is gonna take me a minute because there's a lot of leaves, but they are dusty. Oh my gosh. During my live video, I was like, what is going on here? Show us an embarrassing Christmas photo. If I have one, I'll insert it here. Have you ever had a white Christmas? Yes. Oh yes. I live in Chicago, so most of the time it snows or it has snowed a couple days prior. Everything's white. Now the last time it's actually snowed on Christmas, I want to say, was it last year? Where's my Chicagoans out there? When's the last time it snowed on Christmas? I can't remember, but it was recently. It's rare that it snows on Christmas. Everybody wants it to snow on Christmas, but it's usually like a couple days before and then it's all gross and dirty looking and yeah, so try not to get this on my camera. I might just put a little bit extra on the rag. Next question. Do you start your Christmas shopping on Black Friday or do you wait until the last minute? I don't really do Black Friday shopping. I mentioned this before. It's just a little too much for me. I like to spend the entire month of October and just like put stuff in my Amazon cart and that's how I shop. So yeah, so I don't really do the whole Black Friday thing. It's usually like 2 weeks before Christmas. I'm usually completely done with my Christmas shopping, but I still actively look for sales. Like I'll stay on Amazon a good chunk of December. Oh, these are dusty. Don't tell anybody. If you could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? Well, definitely not Die Hard. Oh, probably Elf. I would be his friend because he like, you know, in the beginning it's so sad because he gets to New York and he's just like, he knows no one and he's just so happy and I would be like, oh, I'll be your friend. Name all of Santa's reindeer. I have to like sing the song in my head. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and Rudolph. Oh yeah, didn't even look it up. Christmas is my thing, guys. I love Christmas. When does your family put up the Christmas tree? Who decorates it? So we have a tradition where the day after Thanksgiving, we wake up early and we decorate for Christmas. We didn't do that this year because I had to work a wedding the Friday after Thanksgiving, but that's okay. It was the first time in a long time where we had to break tradition, but that's usually when we do it. We'll put it up the day after Thanksgiving just because I feel like decorating before Thanksgiving is kind of like, I don't know, it's just weird. I got to go through the holidays, you know, I'm one of those. Oh, this is a new leaf. It's all curly. It's cute. Jay usually digs it out of storage. I'll put it up and the kids will decorate it. I'll do like, this year we needed to put some new lights on our tree because some of the other ones were dead. Hate when that happens. I will do that and then I'll do like the garland And then the kids take turns each year putting the star on the top. Okay, let's pick another plant. Oh, this one's done. So much happier. Holy moly, that's heavy. I love terracotta, but guys, it is heavy. Once you get to the bigger pots, it's heavy. Okay, I see one that needs a whole lot of TLC. Hold on. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh. Anytime you clean plants, you just want to check them. Make sure everything's good under there. Okay, guys. You want to see this? This is dusty. Look at these leaves. Focus. Can you see the dust on there? Good Lord. Okay, you can't, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll pull the leaves up as I clean them. Sorry guys, camera problems. But we'll answer another question, shall we? Is your Christmas tree real or fake? It is fake. We did a real Christmas tree a few years ago. And if you want to hear the story on that, head over to my last live video because we talked about it and it was pretty funny. Peeking at gifts or being surprised? Surprised, always. I grew up where you did not peek. If you peeked at your gifts, oh, you were in trouble. There was one year, I'll tell a little story. Mia was maybe 4. I had all the gifts in my bedroom wrapped for her and like ready to go. And I put them up on top of my dog crate in my bedroom. I was babysitting some kids and she came down. Look at how shiny that is now that it's clean. Whoa. She came downstairs with a Jack and a Sally doll, unwrapped. She's like, oh, Mommy, look what I found. And I was like, where did you find that? I ran upstairs and there was wrapping paper all over my room. I was like, what did you do? She's like, I saw presents. I was like, oh my gosh. Maybe she was younger. Maybe she was like 3, because I would have been a little bit more mad if she was older. I mean, there was nothing I could do about it. It was hilarious. And I was like, those were your Christmas presents. Now you don't get anything. And she's like, oh, she was so upset. But hey, you know, lesson learned. I think I still gave her like a couple small gifts and she didn't open all of them. So I just thought that was kind of crazy and funny. This one has like some weird, you see that? Focus on the plant. Some like cuts in it. I'm just noticing that. Oh my gosh, but this stuff, you guys, the leaves are so shiny. They look fake. Oh, so pretty. I love cleaning my leaves. Puns all the way. Show us your ugly Christmas sweater if you have one. I do not have one. I don't do the ugly Christmas sweater thing. I just don't. We have limited storage in our house as it is, so our closet space is quite small. Yeah, I'm really kind of focusing on like minimal clothing these days. So I don't do ugly Christmas sweaters. But I would love to see some of yours if you want to tag me on Instagram. That would be fun. If you could be under the mistletoe with anyone, who would it be? Jay? Does your family have a special holiday recipe that you like to make? Actually, yeah, there are a couple. And maybe I've made it like once. My mom, every year at Christmas, she would host. When she lived here, she would make her dill dip, which is super easy. I mean, it's only a couple ingredients, but it's just like, it screams Christmas and New Year's to me because she would only make it that time of the year. Same thing with like Little Smokies, like the little hot dogs, pigs in a blanket. She would make those every holiday too. We've made them throughout the year just because the kids love them. But that reminds me of the holidays because she would always make them around that time. Are you a pro present wrapper or do you fail miserably? I mean, I like to think that I could wrap a gift. I'm pretty good. I recently watched a YouTube video on like one of those arts and crafts channels where she showed you how to wrap presents like all these different crazy ways. And I was like, who has time for that? Like, I don't have time for that. Okay. Oh, it's so shiny now, you guys. Look at that. Oh, you so pretty. We are gonna work on Little Miss Fiddly Fig. Everybody loves her, but she is a dirty girl right now. Look at, can you see that? See the dust? No? Well, I could see it. It's there. Have you ever gone Christmas caroling? No, never. My daughter does this thing with her school where we go watch her do it. They call it Tunes on the Turf. They have this turf playground area and she's 12 and each grade does like a Christmas song. So we go and we watch her do it and it's cute and they like take turns singing Christmas carols along the turf. So that would be considered Christmas caroling, but no, not me. You do not want to hear me sing. What tops your tree? I believe I said this already. A star. I know a lot of people have angels, but we have always had a star. And it's literally like a cheap dollar store star, guys. It ain't fancy. It's cute though, because the dollar store, man, they have some pretty fun decorations these days. Whoa, it's a big one. Let's clean you up, baby girl. Started to crinkle yesterday and I was like, oh, it's time for water. Look at this leaf though. That one looks like something took a bite out of it. My dogs don't bother my plants, so I know that wasn't the case. I think it's just lack of humidity, guys. I need a humidifier. That's the last leaf on there. Should we leave her here while we answer the last question or nah? No, I'm gonna put it back. Let's answer this last question. Do you make New Year's resolutions and do you stick to them? I don't. I feel like New Year's resolutions is like a diet. Like you say you're going on a diet, it doesn't happen, or you struggle with it. And it's just like, just eat better, do more activity throughout the day. New Year's resolutions, I feel, are the same thing. Like I just don't set them. Like I'll say like, okay, I'm gonna get this done in 2020. Like I have some website stuff I need to update for the photography side of things. And I have some plans for YouTube, but I don't consider those like resolutions. Those are just life goals. So like I'll do stuff like that, but I won't set a New Year's resolution where I'm gonna like give up something forever or completely change something about, you know, what I do or whatever. I don't know. I just try all year to be a better human, as I said before. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in this Christmas YouTube tag and cleaning some leaves with me, because I feel like I just cleaning those few plants, I feel more accomplished. I do have some more cleaning to do today. But anyway, this was fun. Thank you so much, Nicki, for tagging me. Usually I like to ask people before I tag them, because if they have too much on their plate, it might be too much around the holidays. So you know what? I'm not gonna tag anybody, but I will leave it up to you guys. If you're a fellow YouTube creator and you make YouTube videos, I know I have a lot of creators that are subscribed to me. Thank you, I love your channels too. Leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you're gonna do this tag, because I think it would be fun to hear what everybody else is like around the holiday season. All right, guys, thanks so much. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos like these. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney.